Today I am reviewing the Lenovo IdeaCentre All-in-One PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Intel Core i7-13620H at the heart of this system sets the tone immediately. This is a high-performance mobile-class processor with 10 cores and 16 threads, and in practice it delivers the kind of responsiveness you expect from a modern business workstation. Everyday tasks feel instant, from system boot to application launches, but more importantly, performance holds up under pressure. Running multiple productivity apps, large Excel files, browser sessions filled with tabs, video conferencing software, and background services all at the same time doesn't cause hesitation or slowdown. The system feels composed and responsive, which is exactly what professionals need during long workdays. What reinforces that smooth experience is the inclusion of 32 GB of DDR5 memory. This amount of RAM fundamentally changes how the system behaves under load. There's no sense of resource juggling, no delays when switching between heavy applications, and no need to constantly close programs to keep things running smoothly. For users who work with data analysis, content creation, development tools, or large documents, this level of memory provides headroom that makes work feel effortless rather than constrained. Storage performance further strengthens that impression. The 1 TB solid-state drive delivers fast boot times, rapid file access, and near-instant application loading. Working with large files feels fluid, and there's plenty of room for documents, media, project files, and software without immediately worrying about space. For a business-focused all-in-one, this balance of speed and capacity makes sense and supports long-term use, without upgrades becoming an immediate concern. The 27-inch Full HD display plays a central role in the daily experience, and while the resolution is standard, the size and refresh rate elevate it beyond typical office screens. The 100 Hz refresh rate makes scrolling, window movement, and general interaction noticeably smoother than traditional 60 Hz displays. Over time, this reduced visual friction adds up, especially during long hours of document editing, web research, or multitasking. Text remains sharp, colors are consistent, and the large screen real estate makes it easy to work with multiple windows side by side without feeling cramped. For video calls, presentations, and collaborative work, the display feels well-suited. It doesn't aim to be a color-critical panel for professional designers, but for business presentations, visual reviews, and everyday content creation, it performs reliably. The integrated webcam and overall setup make this system feel ready for modern hybrid work without the need for extra peripherals. Connectivity is another area where this all-in-one shows thoughtful design. The port selection covers both modern and legacy needs, making it easy to connect external drives, accessories, displays, and wired networks. HDMI input and output add flexibility that many all-in-one systems lack, allowing the display to be used in different configurations. Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast and stable wireless performance, while Bluetooth connectivity makes pairing peripherals seamless. The inclusion of a wireless keyboard and mouse completes the out-of-box experience and reinforces the idea that this is a ready-to-work system rather than a bare-bones package. Windows 11 Pro adds an extra layer of polish and capability, particularly for business users. Features like enhanced security, remote management options, and better integration with enterprise tools make a real difference in professional environments. The addition of AI features and Microsoft Copilot feels purposeful rather than promotional. Copilot can assist with workflow organization, content drafting, and task automation in a way that fits naturally into daily work, especially for users who rely heavily on Microsoft's ecosystem. Thermals and acoustics are handled well for an all-in-one design. Even during heavier workloads, the system remains relatively quiet and doesn't become distracting. Heat management feels controlled, which contributes to a sense of reliability and longevity. This is a machine designed to stay on all day without demanding attention or maintenance. What ultimately defines the Lenovo IdeaCentre Business All-in-One is how balanced it feels. It doesn't rely on a single standout feature to justify its existence. Instead, it delivers a cohesive experience where performance, display quality, connectivity, and software integration all work together. It removes clutter, reduces setup complexity, and provides enough power to comfortably handle demanding professional workloads.